Welcome to your Inference Note-Taking assignment in Microsoft OneNote. The goal of this video is to show you not only how to share this assignment with your partner and with myself, but also to get an understanding of what must be accomplished while you do this assignment. So to begin, let's look at how to share this assignment. First, you go over to File and you click on the Share button. If you notice, the Invite People slot is highlighted. Next to that is a bar that says Type Names or Email Addresses. Here you're going to simply type the name and email address of your partner and myself. Once you're done typing that, you're going to click over here and make sure it says Can Edit. If you click Can View, your partner and I can only view what you do. You want to click on Can Edit so that both your partner and I can actually type on the document at the same time you do. Once all that's done, you click Share. An email will be sent to myself and your partner with a link to this OneNote document. Once we get that link, we'll be able to open it up and everyone can collaborate together on the same document at the same time. Now that you know how to share this document, I'm going to show you the different responsibilities that you have in order to complete this assignment. Your goal during this assignment is self-discovery. There are different vocabulary words that we must understand in order to become good at inferencing. For example, you need to have a good understanding of background knowledge, text, determining importance, and textual evidence. Once you have a good understanding of those four different vocabulary pieces, you'll have a better understanding of how to make an inference. So we need to break those down so you understand each piece of what an inference is so you can become a stronger inferer. Above are 4 videos that you can use to help your understanding of background knowledge, text, determining importance, and textual evidence. In addition to the videos, you always have the ability to go online and search for answers using these 4 different vocabulary pieces. In order to get to these videos, if you go over the top, you'll notice that a pop-up box shows up that says click Control plus click to go there. So if I hold down the Control button, a hand pops up. I simply right click and this video will pop up that will help me learn more about how to make inferences in the different parts. Once you've looked through these videos and you think you have a good understanding of what an inference is and what these different vocabulary pieces are, you can simply click inside the definition and begin typing what you think the definition of an inference is. Now, once you have a good understanding, the next piece of this note-taking assignment asks you to actually look for media, different YouTube videos or pictures that helped you understand this word. In order to find an image for background knowledge, I'm going to go to Google and I'm simply going to type in background knowledge. When I hit enter, a search for background knowledge will happen. I'm going to click on images. Now, inside these images, I'm going to really try to find an image that helped me understand what background knowledge means. Once I found my image, I'm simply going to click on View Image. I'm going to go up to this website that it gave me, click Copy, go back to my YouTube video picture, and simply click Paste. This will allow me 2 things. 1, when I click on it, it'll take my partner and me right to the picture that I chose. And 2, we want to be responsible internet users, meaning we do not want to plagiarize anybody's work. So this will give the person whose picture it is credit. Now that I showed you how to paste a picture, let's talk about how to put a video in there. So if you go to YouTube, all you would simply do is click inside the search bar and type in background knowledge. Then you're going to find a video that really helped you. Once you find that video, you're simply going to click the YouTube video up here and go back to your OneNote and paste that link. This will help your partner to click on that video and they can learn from your video just like they could have learned from your picture. Once this is all filled in, you now have the information you need to move on to the next box. Inside this next box, you're going to take the 4 vocabulary words that you just discovered, and you're going to put those words together to create a definition of what an inference is. This means you're taking your learning and you're synthesizing your information to create a new definition that is personally meaningful to you. This definition is going to be important because it will help you realize exactly what an inference is and in your own words. Once that is done, you and your partner will create a 4 to 5 sentence paragraph where you guys will make other students infer what you're meaning inside your paragraph. If that sounds confusing, what I did was I included some examples. So if you click here to find examples, the page pops up. If you notice, I'm highlighting a perfect example of what we're looking for. Inside of this example, you have to make an inference as to what type of job Paul does. Once you read that example, I think it will be clear as to what you and your partner have to try to create. If you don't quite understand what you have to create from this example, there's another example right down below it. I highlighted that example. Once you've completed that part of the assignment, you've completed your inference note-taking assignment. You are ready to move on to your goals and scoring rubric. So you may click on that side of the page and view that image so that you guys can work on your scoring guide. Thank you very much.